Hey Amber babies, how you doing? It's me Amber and welcome back to my beauty channel, guys. Today I have unboxing from Perfume Surprise. Basically you get high-end perfume samples. Each is 2.5 ml, and then you get Perfume Surprise, which is jewelry. This is the only one monthly subscription box on the market today, which offers for you perfume for a month, and then they offer you jewelry, surprise jewelry, which is I have seen some videos. I actually don't know what is inside, but I have seen videos, and I actually met Perfume Surprise team on here in Miami Expo. Actually, they're from Miami, like me, and I met them in Beauty Expo last year, and I chatted with them a little bit. So, and now they sent me actually this box to review. So guys, I am so excited to show you what is inside. I actually didn't open yet, but the box is so beautiful and I'm so excited. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. Did you guys miss me saying I like it, 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 I like it? Alright, so I opened the box. Yay! And this is hygiene. There is a note. So this month we're gonna get Burberry, Brit, Kenzo, Damor, sorry for my French, Salvador, Ferragamo, Jimmy Choo, Illicit, whatever, Juicy Couture. I'm Juicy Couture, so I'm getting Juicy Couture. Sorry guys, my English is not the best, but this is me getting 5 perfumes. But guys, I am digging first to Surprise because this is what I'm most excited. Look at this packaging and look at my nail color. I actually did my nails yesterday, and look at this. This is like matching box. Perfume Surprise with my nails. Love it. Love this box. Nice. So I'm so excited first to try to see what is inside in this cute box. I like this boxing. This is so really cute. Okay, so I'm opening. I'm so excited. Nice. You know what guys, this is such a amazing present for your friend. If you have a girlfriend, if you have a neighbor, sister, mother, this is such a beautiful present. Oh my god, this is so little nice beautiful charms inside. Wow, this is so pretty. I like it. Like seriously guys, $24, $24.99 monthly subscription box. In USA International. I'm not sure. I'm gonna leave their info in the description box. Look at this. Wow, this necklace, it's so pretty, and these charms are dog because it's dog ear, Buddha, little heart. Wow, look at this necklace guys. Oh my god, this is like seriously lovely. If you guys buy this jewelry alone, this necklace is probably gonna cost even more than $24. Wow, this is so beautiful guys. What do you think about this? This is so really beautiful. Wow, I love it. I see it. I like it. It probably doesn't match with the choker, but oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it. I don't know, maybe it's okay with the choker too. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this. I'm like seriously the most excited about these. And perfume, Jimmy Choo, whatever I haven't tried. I haven't tried Jimmy Choo. Let me check. And you know what? It's not like regular sample size. It's a little bit like, looks bigger, 2.5 mils. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Smells so good. By the way, all the perfumes are original, so no fake ones. Burberry Brit, I have this Kenzo. I don't have it. And where do I spray it now? In my chest. I love it. But Jimmy Choo smells so good. Burberry. I have Burberry. What is this? Salvatore Ferragamo. I have that too. Jimmy Choo, Juicy Couture. Let me spray over here. Oh, so sweet. Oh my god, I love it. Like this is like for a month enough. It's so cool. And this necklace is so beautiful. Look at this guys. I love it. I seriously love it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you Perfume Surprise for sending me this box. I really like it. I love to support like small brands, small little companies, especially from Miami, because I'm from Miami too. I have a small company too. So yeah guys, let me know if you like it. Perfume Surprise is only $24.99 a month, monthly subscription box. I'm not getting paid for doing this. I'm just like really loving this brand, especially when I met them here in Miami in the expo. So that's it guys for today. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up, and I see you in my next video. Bye! Bye guys!